this video, I will demonstrate how to repair a wool hat. If your hat has been damaged by moths, this video will show you how to repair it quickly and easily. First of all, locate the part of your hat that has been damaged and notch it with pin. In this case, there are two areas damaged. A perfect solution to this problem is something that will both cover the area and decorate the hat. In this example, I will be using a handmade flower and a simple button which I am showing you how to make. Cut 5 pieces of wool in star shapes and fold them onto one of the stars that will be used as the base of the flower. Then stitch them together and add an optional piece of a different color in the middle. Stitch the flower onto the hat. To make the button, you will need to cut a circular piece of wool slightly larger than the size that the button will be. The tool that I am using, as well as the pieces of the button, can be bought online. Press the button together so the pieces clip. Stitch the button to the hat and it is now repaired and decorated.
If this video helped you learn something, please like and subscribe for more upcoming videos in this channel. Comment down below about any future video suggestions. Click here to watch my previous video and down here to subscribe.